Hello, this is Merlin with WTI. Now, are you looking for a dress for a wedding, for a graduation, or even to take a wonderful picture on this awesome vacation at the beach? Well, then I will recommend this beautiful V-neck lace dress from MEROKEETY. Now, I love every detail about this dress. I love that crochet lace. I love I love that pattern that it has in the front with the V-neck. It looks so beautiful, and it is super breathable, which is one of the things that was a concern for me. But this dress is super breathable. It is easy to wash. So if you are looking for a beautiful dress for any occasion, I will definitely recommend this beautiful lace dress from MEROKEETY. But hey, that is just my point of view.